Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lois Griffin on Dress to Impress. Why do I sound a little like her when I'm sick? No, I'm just kidding, I don't. Peter. Oh no, that was horrible, wasn't it? Anyways, to dress up as Lois Griffin, I'm just going to remove everything that I'm wearing right now. For the hair, I'm using this in only bangs, and I just use the same color for the hair, honestly, because it looks pretty similar. Then I use this too in that color, and then I used this no bangs in that same color as well. For the pants, I used this no flower, and I did a matte on this color BEAB7E, and then this as well. For the shoes, I just wore these simple in this color. They actually have that there. For the shirt, I guess like you can wear this one if you don't have VIP, but like with the bow, looks like she's working somewhere, but I am going to use the VIP shirt. The second one in this color, 5B9A78 in black. And then for the earrings, I just used this in that color. And voila, that is Lois Griffin on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!